In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your EBI wallet to Hamster Kombat. So first thing you want to do, because it doesn't really work with phone, but I have a way around it, so relax and see how you're going to do it. So you go to your Play Store, all right? Once you get to your Play Store, the first thing you want to come right here, all right, here, click search for, you're going to search for two things. First, you're going to search for Mrs. Browser, all right, which is this one. Click on it so that you can download it. Once you install it, this is it, so I'm going to update it. Once you install it, then you search for MetaMask. If you don't have MetaMask, if you have MetaMask, good. So you're going to say MetaMask, all right? Click on MetaMask, then also install MetaMask. I'm going to update it. So let me quickly run you through MetaMask, how to sign up on MetaMask. So click on open, right? See something like this, just wait for it. We're going to wait for it. Click on get started. Here you want to make sure that is either you import using secret. If you have MetaMask before, you can import it, but if you are creating new account, just click on create new account. All right, you can see my MetaMask is set up. The next thing I want to do is to go to just say no thanks, I don't want this, no thanks. So the next thing I actually want to do is to go ahead to open our Mrs. Browser. All right, so let's do that real quick. All right, so this is my Mrs. Browser. So what I need to here, I'm going to come here where you have search, Mrs. Search. So I'm going to put the EBI.xyz. All right, EBI.xyz. So that is the URL. I'm going to put that right here, EBI.xyz. Then go, click on go, then wait for it. So from here, what you need to do right now is to just go ahead and click on sign in here. But before you do that, we're going to click on this part, this thing right here. Click on it because we need to import our MetaMask. So you can see here, I have my MetaMask already. But how do you put in your MetaMask here? This is, let me show you how to do that. So you click on this three dot. Once you click on the three dot, just allow it. And then you click on extension because you're adding it as an extension. Click on extension. So you can see Mrs. Extension. All right, this is the extension. You can see I've added it, so I can remove it if I want. But how do you add your own here? So just click on this three line, then click on this one that says discover more extension and theme on the web. So I'm going to click on that web store, click on it. So you can just reduce the screen by using your two finger. All right, so that you can see the search. All right, which is here, the search. So here, search for MetaMask. Click on the search part and search for MetaMask. MetaMask. So once you search for MetaMask, click on it, the first one. So how do you get it? Just you can see installed already. So you just go ahead and click on it if you want to install it. So you can just swipe your screen, wipe it to the right. So here you're gonna see install, but now you see remove, right? So you're gonna see install. Just click on it. It's going to download and install. Once it's installed, you can click here and you are going to see it here. So once you see it here, it's going to ask you to put in that password. I show you how to create it. Put in that your password, and once you log in, that's all. So you have it here and it's already logged in. So the next thing is to go back to, let me click on this more. Let's go back to our EBI.xyz. So now the next thing, click on sign in. This is what we're looking for. This connect, we're going to connect to our MetaMask. So click on MetaMask. Okay, if it's taking too long like this, just click here. All right, click on the three dot. Once you click, want to switch to desktop site. Instead of saying log in, you're going to see launch app. So click on it. Now we want to connect our wallet. So click on this part first. Then make sure that click on your MetaMask. Make sure you log into MetaMask. So we're going to log into our MetaMask first. I've logged into my MetaMask. So let's go back to EBI. So I'm going to click on it. So again, I'm going to click on the connect wallet here or here. All right, so let's do that. MetaMask, and I'll just click on MetaMask. Okay, it's telling you, it's logging you to MetaMask. Just wait for it. So it's going to show you this to connect. Just click on next. All right, then click confirm, then click next again. Then again, you're going to go in. It's going to go back to the EBI. So just wait. So automatically, you see this. Enter referral code if you have any. If you don't have, you can skip it. So I'm going to drop the my referral code in the description box of this video. Just put it. So, but I'm going to skip this one. It's going to take you back to MetaMask. Just wait. Whenever you see it taking you to MetaMask, just wait for it. Next thing you just want to do is to confirm again. But before then, you have to read this through. But you can click on this arrow to go down. So once you do that, just click on confirm, and just want to click on confirm. Just wait for it. So don't forget, I'll be dropping my code, referral code, in the description box of this video. You can use it to sign up on your EBI. So now we need to go to our Hamster, then connect this wallet to our Hamster. So let's go to Hamster. I'm gonna go to airdrop. Once you get to airdrop, so this is my allocation on this one. I'm gonna be getting 24, just 24. I don't actually take this account serious. I just use it for reals, that's all. So now I'm gonna come here to withdraw. Click on that withdrawal. I can see that I've connected my Bybit, but for you, if you have not connected anyone, this is the only thing left for you. Just click on it. Then once you click on it, it's going to ask you to put in your UID. Just the UID is what you need. All right, so let's go back to our EBI. Click on this address. You can see your address here. This address is actually address that connects your EBI to your MetaMask. So just click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see your ID. You can see ID, UID. So click on this UID to copy it. All right, you can copy it or write it. So I'm going to copy it. You see, I've highlighted it or write it down. Then once you do that, look for copy. I'm going to copy that. Once you copy that, then go to your Hamster kombat here and paste it there. And once you paste it and click OK, once you click OK, then make sure you check it that you've confirmed that you're going to use that as your withdrawal method. So that's all you need to know. And once they pay into your EBI, is going straight to your MetaMask. So from there you can transfer to any of other exchange. So thank you for watching this video. If you gotten value so far, kindly like this video and don't forget to comment, drop your comments. I would love to answer all your comments, and make sure you join us in the Telegram group. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.